welcome back. Emerald C here, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing because I've really wanted this item. I'm gonna snip it right off. It literally just came in the mail from Amazon today. And it's this. Let me not hold it upside down. This right here. So if you're not familiar, this is the setting spray, Allure from Basic. I do not know how to enunciate this. Again, I've seen it a million times and I just keep seeing everyone wear it. So many great feedback and reviews. So I'm like, let me see what it's hitting for. So I'm gonna try to say it. If it's wrong, don't come for me. Dalba. Okay? I'm gonna have to look this up. It hydrates and nourishes skin. All right, so I'm gonna open it up. Actually, I'm gonna have to cut the little tab. There we go. Here she is. Gotta give her a healthy shake. Now, this is supposed to melt makeup, especially if you have powdery makeup. It's really good with melting it. I have a light skin tint on today, and of course eyeshadow and stuff, but I didn't go heavy into foundation because I knew this was arriving, so I wanted something light. But I do want to see how it melts powder. I'm gonna go in with a clean little brush. It's not even a brush, it's a little sponge, and you can see it already mattifying because my skin is actually usually very oily. You can see the difference. Look, powder, no powder, powder, no powder. I don't know. I like matte sometimes, the matte look sometimes. But I think I've become so accustomed to always being oily that I like a little shine. But I know when I wear makeup and I have a little shine, my makeup doesn't last as long. But you can see the difference. Look, mattified in the bottom and shiny. Because you can see my ring light bouncing off my dome. But once I mattify that a little bit, boom. Yeah, T-zone is always the first to go. That's always the first that gives me away in my oiliness. Ah. There we go. Actually, matte is not too bad. This is nice. I'm gonna reshake because the oil kind of went right back to the top. So I'm gonna reshake. Ooh, there we go. All right, let me see if there are any instructions I need to know. Not really. It just says it's vegan. This is on the back. Let me see what's in the box. How to use: shake the bottle 3 to 5 times for blending after washing up. Yeah, I swear I'm gonna need glasses soon. I'm gonna need glasses soon. Look at this tiny writing. How am I supposed to see this? Shake a bottle 3 to 5 times for blending after washing up. Lift the head a little and keep the eyes closed. Spray proper amount 4 to 5 times, 10 to 20 centimeters away from the face. Pat the skin gently to absorb. Shake it 3 to 5 times, and we're gonna spray 4 to 5 times, 10 centimeters away. Shake 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And first sprays are gonna be light because it's nothing in the tube. There we go. All right, let's see. Okay, clearly I'm not one to follow directions. I went in 7 times, but this is nice. I like it. All right, so off the rip, light scent, very, very light scent. I can't explain what this light scent is. We're gonna spray it like perfume. Yeah, it's a light scent. I can't even explain what it smells like. It feels like it might be lightly citrusy, but it's very, very faint. So it's not overwhelming. I will say I like that this is a mist. Because it's a mist, it falls finely. There are no huge droplets that are splattering on my face, leaving little splotches and dots and things like that. So definitely a bonus there. I guess this right here is gonna be my reminder to shake it before use, because you'll see the oil does sit on the top after a while. And if I leave it, because you saw when I opened it, it was just nothing but on the top, and then everything else was on the bottom. So I am gonna definitely be reminded to consistently shake it before applying it. I feel like it says it's gonna do what it actually does. 4 to 5 sprays, that's cute. I'm weird because I like mist in my face. Like I want it to like be in there and absorb. Didn't pat it dry, as you can see. But I don't feel like I need to pat it dry. I feel like this right here does the trick. Like this is nice. Yeah, this laid down nice. All right, I'm gonna do a few more. Don't y'all judge me. 10 to 20 centimeters away, okay? No, it's not citrus. It's something else that I smell. I can't put my finger on exactly what I'm smelling here, but it smells good. For a minute, it did smell slightly citrusy, but I don't know. I also have on fragrance, so it could be whatever. This, we're gonna see how it does because I'm actually headed out to go grocery shopping with my husband. So we're gonna see how this holds. Now I can say I like it a lot, but I want you guys to stay posted because I'm gonna wear this I'm gonna do it for like a week straight. And then I'm gonna do another review. I'm gonna record, we're gonna put it through and see how it works out, you know, long term to see if it lives up to the hype. And I'm gonna also learn how to enunciate the name correctly. I encourage you to stay informed. I want you to come back because I want you to know how everything worked out. We're in this process together. So I'm gonna need you to come back and we chat about what we thought about this after a week. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Toodaloo.